Hello and welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman and I get to share with you the Say It With Stamps Winter and Christmas collection. This collection includes lots of lovely designs of both stamps, coordinating dies, backgrounds, as well as stencils. Let's jump in and take a look at each of the pieces that coordinate. I'm going to start by sharing two of the background stamps. They measure 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. The first one is called Santa Hats, which include all of these adorable little hats that would be easy to color with your Copic markers, as well as colored pencils, or even with watercolors. Would make a great background at a Merry Christmas stamp, and you would be good to go. Great for quick and easy cards as well. This one is called Christmas Words Background, and the words say peace, believe, joy, faith, hope, love, cheer, merry, celebrate, Noel, and more. So lots of fun, different sayings that you could easily use as a background. You could stamp and emboss this, which would be beautiful. You could easily use red ink with matching red paper to give you a tone-on-tone stamping background. Lots of great ideas that you could come up with to just make a quick and easy card. There are two 6x8 stamp sets in this collection. One is the poinsettias, which include different types of flowers, this large, beautiful bouquet, as well as an individual flower, a beautiful candle with the flowers and the leaves at the bottom, a few leaves, as well as some holly leaves and berries. There are multiple sentiments, which include joy, peace, sending you Christmas cheer, warmest wishes for the holidays, Merry Christmas from our family to yours, may your season be filled with joy, and then a beautiful season's greetings. There's also a coordinating die set that is sold separately that cuts out all of the large pieces you see here. This stamp set is called Christmas Cookies, and it includes a milk bottle, mittens, a snowman, a bell, different candy canes, a snowflake, this cute little snowman, I love the holly, a present, as well as some great sayings. Made with love, cookies for Santa, wishing you the sweetest Christmas. So you would stamp first your background. That would be fun to do in like a craft paper, and then go ahead and stamp the actual snowman on top of it, so that you could maybe emboss in white or in a color. This would be fun in green. You could easily do this. This would be beautiful in a blue. You could color with colored pencils on the craft paper. That would be stunning. Love this milk bottle. How fun is that? There's also a coordinating die set that you can get as well that is sold separately. So once you create your cookies, you can easily die cut the shapes out of your dies and have individual cookies, and maybe make a plate full of cookies on a card or on a layout. How fun would that be? I can't wait to play with this. This is going to be a ton of fun. I'm going to have lots of fun coloring this as well. I can see the different colors of poinsettias, whether it be light pinks or reds. I could even see a fun purple. How beautiful. The holiday collection also includes 3 4x6 stamp sets with coordinating dies. The first one is called Holiday Wreath. So you can stamp and die cut the holiday wreath and include a fun bow, some 3D berries, a few 3D leaves, which would be really cute. There are also 4 sayings: peace on earth, Merry Christmas, joy to the world, and holiday joy. The next set is called Jolly Old Saint Nick, which includes this fantastic Santa, which would be absolutely stunning on the number 6 size card, I envisioned that background with all of the words on the full size card and then have the Santa cut out with your die. Wouldn't that be stunning? 3D mount that with foam tape. Oh, I'm so excited. I think I just decided what my Christmas card's going to be. Don't tell anybody. There are also some fun elements, including a present, some holly and holly berries, and then lots of fun little words, including to and from, believe or you will get socks, define naughty, no peeking, from your Secret Santa, which would be kind of fun. A lot of people do Secret Santa exchanges. Ho, 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 dear Santa, I can explain, and be jolly. So lots of fun sayings that you could mix and match with this great Santa. There's also a Happy Hanukkah stamp set with the coordinating dies, which are sold separately, including the Star of David, the menorah, the dreidels. There's also some great sayings, including Happy Hanukkah, Shalom, love and light, and then wishing you 8 happy nights. Absolutely stunning. Those are the 4x6 stamp sets in this collection. PhotoPlay also offers 3 sets of standalone dies in this collection. One would be the poinsettia, which includes all of the dies you see here to make this beautiful poinsettia. You could do it in reds or pinks or purples. As you die cut, you will also get the veining embossed into each of the leaves as well as the petals of the flower itself. So that's really pretty to give lots of detail. There's also a Happy Holidays die that looks like this. And be sure to check the back of each of the packages because there's always ideas to help jumpstart your creativity. There's also a Joyful Snowman etched die that includes the J and the Y and then the die that makes the O, which is this, and then all of the pieces to make this adorable little snowman. So you have teeny tiny arms, the scarf, his body, the hat. So you can either use the snowman by himself or use it in the joy as well. This collection also includes 4 great stencils. The first one is a 3-piece Christmas lights stencil. It's 6x6. It includes all of the pieces to allow you to create this beautiful Christmas light background. So you've got the lights, and you've got the little white accents, and then you have the green cords that light it all up. There's also a gingerbread cookie stencil, which is a 6x6 as well. So you have the gingerbread, the little outline of the gingerbread, as well as faces, a little bow tie to make it a little boy or a little girl, or the traditional gingerbread man. There's lots of little accents for his sleeves and his cuffs and his little neckline. So cute. Or you can also die cut it with a matching die, which is sold separately out of craft paper, and then just add the different details to your die cut, which would be really fun as well. Here's a sample of what that might look like embossed with all of the fun elements. Isn't that cute? Look at the little baby with his little curly cute hair. So cute. Another of the stencils is the Ho 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 background. Would be great to stencil, to use glitter paste. So many options with this fun stencil. Here is just one sample to help kickstart your creativity using the Ho 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 stencil with a red glitter paste and then this beautiful Santa colored in 3D mounted on top. This stencil set includes 3 pieces to build a pine bough. So you have the base piece, which is number 1, and you have two sets of different accents. When you layer them one on top of the other, they look like this. Here, the third set of accents was embossed with silver embossing powder to create this stunning pine bough card. Absolutely beautiful, would be quick and easy to assembly line your Christmas cards like that. So, so beautiful. We can't talk about making Christmas cards without some coordinating holiday plaids to go with all of the fun designs that I just showed you. This collection includes 24 sheets. You'll get 2 of each of the 12 double-sided pattern papers in this collection. Let's take a look at each of the designs. We also give you a coordinating set of solid colors that mix and match with all of the papers individually. Lots of options for cutting out poinsettias as well as holly leaves. You can easily use these to mount cards on, to create pocket page elements, and so much more. Now I'm going to jump in and show you the winter collection from Say It With Stamps. There is a 5 3/4 by 5 3/4 background stamp, which is called Snow Flurries. And there are 3 cover plates. One is the slimline cover plate. One is the number 6 size mini slim. And then the A2 size. Each of those are the falling snow cover plate dies. So depending on what is your favorite size card to create with, you have 3 different options to use and enjoy. There's a sample of the number 2. There's a sample of the mini slim, as well as the slimline. Just a little teaser to give you an idea to help get you started. So be sure to turn the packaging over for a few ideas. There are 2 6 by 8 stamp sets in this collection. This one is called Snowmen. It has 3 different snowmen and then this little snowman with a head and this great hat. There are different little sticks for arms. There's a present and a few fun sayings, including May Your Christmas Sparkle, Happy Holidays, Thank You Snow Much, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, Snow Buddies Are the Best, Let's Chill, Celebrate the Season. And there's a tiny heart, this fun tree, and a present, and a few ornaments, as well as a pair of mittens. That also comes with a coordinating die set that is sold separately. And there's a little sample to get you started. The next set is called Layered Snowflakes that include a stunning assortment of beautiful snowflakes and great sayings like Snowflake Kisses and Holiday Wishes, isn't that pretty? May Your Holidays Sparkle, Sending Winter Wishes, You Are One of a Kind, and Thank You Snow Much. It also comes with a coordinating die set that's sold separately. And here's how it looks stamped on a card. Absolutely breathtaking. I love that you can layer them on top of each other or you can use them individually. There's one 4 by 6 stamp set that's called Polar Pals that includes 4 fun little animals, some little music notes, a few snowflakes, and some fun sayings like fa la la, to from, be jolly, Merry Christmas to a cool friend, and there's Snow Buddy like you. There's also a coordinating die set that's sold separately. There's a little sample to get you started as well. How fun are they kind of peeking out from behind each other? So cute. Last but definitely not least is this 6x6 stencil, as well as a coordinating mittens die. You can cut out the mittens and their little string that attaches them. And you can use the stencil to add ribbing to the little mittens. You can add snowflakes, you can add different stripes, lots of ways to create fun patterns on your mittens. You could even mount the mittens with foam tape for a 3D element on a layout or a card. We appreciate you stopping by, and thanks for watching.